in alternative or branching statement, we can see first one is the simple if statement. Simple if is the simplest of all decision making statement that contain only the true block. If the condition is satisfied means the true block will execute. In case condition is not satisfied means no message will print. That is the simplest if statement. Condition should be in the form of relational or logical expression. Relational means lesser than, greater than, equal to, not equal to, greater than or equal to, not equal. We can using in the condition this kind of relational operators. Second one is the logical expression. Logical expression means we can contain the and or not. Okay. Syntax if a condition, if one of the keyword. Next one is a condition. In condition, what we have to set means a relational or logical expression we have to set here. Statement block 1, that is a true block. Condition is satisfied means the true block will execute. Now we can see the example of the simplest if statement. X equal to int means integer, input means get the input value from the user. Within a double quotation they have given enter your age, see the output, enter your age, that line will be displayed here. So get the input value from the user, what value they have given means 34, 34 accept and store in X because equal is the assignment operator. Next one if, that is the condition, see the syntax of the simplest if statement, if, so that word we have to use condition. In this part they are said the relational expression. Relational expression they are used the greater than or equal to. So X greater than or equal to 18, that is a condition. So now we can assign the X value. X value, what value we got means 34. So 34, X value is the 34 greater than or equal to 18. Condition is the true. True means you are eligible for voting, that message will be printed here. In case if you are giving the input value lesser than 18, that means no message will print. See the output 2, enter your age, what input value they have given means 16. So there is no message will print here because simplest if statement only it will be execute the true block. Okay. Next one if else statement. The if else statement provides the control to check the true block as well as the false block. So it will be add here one more block. If simplest if statement, it will be execute only the condition is satisfied. If else means in case condition is false means it will be execute the false block. Now we can see the syntax. If the same, the two lines it will be no change, the same line it will be printed here. If condition statement block 1, else that keyword we have to use, colon symbol we have to use, statement block 2. If check the condition, conditions true means statement block 1 will execute. In case condition is false means else block will execute. In else block statement block 2 will execute. Now we can see the flow chart of the if else statement. First one entry, program enter here, check the condition. Condition is satisfied means statement block 1 will execute. In case condition is false means statement block 2 will execute. So finally program will come exit. Okay. Next one, now we can see the example of the if else statement. A equal to int input enter any number. So accept the any one number from the user. What number they have given means 56. See the output, enter any number. Enter any number is printed because they have given within the double quotation. Enter any number. What input value they have given means is the 56. Next one, check the condition. If a modulus operator 2, already I told you what is the difference between the ordinary division and modulus operator means division means it will be returned the quotient value. Modulus operator means it will be returned the remainder value. Now check the condition. If a modulus operator 2 double equal to 0. So a value, what value they have given means 56. So 56 modulus operator 2 double equal to 0. So, if you are dividing the 56 divided by 2 means remainder value is the 0. So, 0 double equal to 0. So, 0 double equal to 0, that means the equality operator. So, condition is satisfied. Condition is satisfied means what message will be printed here means is the true block. That is the first block, statement block 1. This is statement block 2. Condition is the true means a value, what value they have given for a means is a 56. So, 56, a value 56 is an even number. The is an even number within the double quotation they have given. The same manner it will be printed. 56 is an even number. In case if they have given the different kind of input value, see here, enter any number. What value they have given means is the 67. Okay. So, 67 value it will be accept and store in A. Now, A value is the 67. Now, we can assign in A. So, 67 modulus operator 2 double equal to 0. Okay. So, 67 divided by 2 means what remainder value it will be returned means is a 1. 1 double equal to 0. Condition is not satisfied. So, condition is not satisfied means which block will execute? Statement block 2 will execute. In statement block 2 what message they have given means print the A value. A value is the 67. Is an odd number. Is an odd number is printed here.